napakainit ng sasakyan niya. Nakakatakot. Kasi tingnan mo. Hindi siya nag-melt yung ice. Not as now. It's an ice. But hindi siya katulad last time. Last time it was like so much icy. Yung mga dahon niya talagang super ice. But this time, hindi. Yung ano lang, grabe.